do is it will take my whatever windows are opened apart from the parent window. Whatever windows are open, I am storing that in a set because the return type of window handles is a
string format, and we use set.
Set.
We use set. It means a
okay. We
different
can store
thing.
it is
Yes.
yes. Return type of this is string, but we can store it in a set format. Why set format? Why not list or list arrays? Why
List
not
means
sorry array list?
Maybe
list means we
because of
after
the
Hmm.
not
duplicate values, set
values.
means it like a unique values.
Set will not allow duplicate.
Yeah,
It will not.
that's why.
We use set.
Yes, it will not allow duplicate.
Duplicates.
That's the
Duplicate it
reason.
like
Now,
unique values are.
mhm, okay. Then, so we have kept all, we don't know how many windows will be there. So we have kept all the windows in this now. So whatever windows, including the parent as well as child, all this will be stored in set. Now I want a condition like I want to close the child window and keeping the parent window open. Okay. So for that, I will iterate first or iterate first. So first iteration, I will get the old window. Second iteration, I'll get the new window, the child window, whatever is there. Okay. Then I have to write one if condition. If my new window name dot equals, one second. Uh, just 1 minute, guys. I'll be on hold. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry team, really sorry. I had an important call. I can't miss that. Okay. Uh, where I was? Oh, here. Okay. So now, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Aarti.
yes, Aarti.
And the
Aarti.
recording is stopped or it is going on?
It's going on.
It's going. Okay, fine. So now I want to instruct, like, one second. Okay. So this is set. So all my details will be in set. I am iterating it one by one and I'm instructing that if you find this value, please don't close the window. If you didn't find this value, close the window. Okay. So that is my condition. So for this, what I should put here, is this condition right?
No, no, it like pass the window not old window. If you pass this
Condition is
instead of a set to old window.
Sorry, can you tell me? Can you guide me to write the code? Okay, first tell me what is the understanding of this line. Sorry. I have given set.
Yeah, that is
That's
that is.
Oh, that was Viresh was saying. Okay.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So my window name, if it is equal to old window, I should say don't close it,
yes.
right? So is the
Yes.
code correct?
No.
Yes. Yes.
No, we said to close it.
Driver
If
dot
close,
close.
we are
If
saying it
Old
close.
window
old
is not.
window a bit close.
Yes. Old window will be closed, but that is not my requirement. My requirement is to
Yes.
close the,
Mm,
you
Other windows. That
other window.
And the window. It like not equal. We use.
Yes.
Yeah,
Not
which
we
is
can
like a
say not
negative
equals
condition.
Arthi.
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Anything else I have to do? Okay, let's execute this and see what it actually does. So it will click my button. It will collect all the windows, multiple windows. Phew, 1 second. Hello. Thank you. I never expected I'll be selected. Okay, sorry again. So, now I have clicked on that button and I'm going to this value. So all my values will be stored here. And I'm instructing that if my window doesn't matches with this old window value, please close that particular window unless it comes to this value. If it is coming, please don't close that window. So this is my requirement. Let's see how it is working. What happened? It's closing my old window. Why?
I think the not equals. It's not. I mean, I don't know if the syntax is correct, Aarti. I'm sorry if I'm wrong.
Okay.
Is it? I'm guessing it.
Then
Dot
get
not
window
equals.
handles it. If they're in get window handles, a old window is there. No.
Yeah, we had given if it is not equals to old window, Viresh. If it is not equals to old window means it is.
Why again it is closing my old window?
I don't.
Yeah, we gave it like that. No,
Yeah,
Aarti. I mean,
Aarti,
window
in the
name
if
dot not
condition,
equals
uh,
not
window
uh,
name dot not equals. If you
not
use like that, it will close.
NOTELS.
Okay. Equals not, you mean, right?
Not. Not, yeah,
Not, yeah.
not,
I
Ignore.
don't know exactly. I mean, what will be the there? I mean, that method.
Mhm.
Not equals only, no, Shravani.
yeah, I'm guessing it, this point.
నేను కూడా అదే అనుకుంటున్నా నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ అని చూసాను నేను మెథడ్ లో
Yeah,
చూద్దాం
NOT EQUALS.
ఎన్ షుడ్ బి క్యాప్
Yeah, use yes.
After dot,
okay
we should
instead
write
of
an
not
outer
we can
Dot
use
not
okay
equals.
okay instead of not we can use this I mean before indo name we can use that symbol T
What,
Yeah, in
Dipti? Sorry,
Java it
Deepika?
is there.
in the if condition
Mm-hmm.
you have given that I mean
Not
windows before
equals.
window name not equals to symbol
Mm.
it will work na I mean
I don't know.
instead of
I'm
using
asking you guys. What is my
I
mistake?
mean
What
We
mistake I
are
did?
guessing
we
after
thought that
window
we have
name
to
dot.
we thought that we have to given I mean not equals window
Mm.
name dot not equals I mean
No,
that
there
whole
is no
window.
method not equals,
No
I guess.
method not
Okay,
equals.
okay.
Equal
Correct.
ignore case we have equal context equal content equal subsequence.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
So
okay,
not you have to use in this way only.
okay, 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 Aarti.
Okay. I'm not sure. I'm just writing the code. Okay. You guys have to let me know it is working or not.
Yeah, Aarti, yeah.
Now how it worked? What
Yes.
mistake we did? Now how it came to my parent window? See, always we forgot one thing. You guys were right, but you forget one thing. What happened to you is whatever you do manually, just write down into the script. So we clicked on the button. Yeah, correct. Okay, we clicked. Our control went to the parent window, child window. Fine. That's what we have done here. And we have collected all the windows because we don't know how many windows will be open. So for an what to say information, we have stored everything in a set,
Set.
and we are iterating that. We did,
Right.
and we said that if this URL matches with this URL, what was the condition? Don't close.
Don't close.
If this URL matches with this URL, sorry, if this
Does
URL
not
matches with this URL, close it.
Yes.
So these two should not be equal. That is what I have given the condition. But we forgot one thing, that our focus is now on this window,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay. Yeah. Right.
So after this, we have to switch to this window. Then we
And
have to
to
close this
close.
and come back. So we forgot to
Okay.
write this line number 24. That is why it was closing our parent window, not the child window, because our control was over here only. It didn't move there. It clicked,
Again, we
but
had
it
to
didn't
switch
move
to
there.
that other window and we
Yes,
had to close it.
yes. So what we are doing manually, we are opening, we are coming to this window, right? Then only we are closing. Correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That is where, but manually we were doing, but as an automation, we have to instruct our window to go and switch there, sit there, and then close it. And if that URL is equal to that URL, please don't close it. Is it right? Am I confusing? Is the
Yeah.
No,
code
no.
right?
Yeah.
We are clear.
So always have a manual flow. My control is here. What I'm doing? My control is here. I want to close this. So of course I should be over here. I should not directly close
Yes.
because this set has a number of windows, but my control is still in the first window only,
Yes.
right? So this is how you have to link with manual and your automation. Okay, now this is done. Fine. My is closed. Now I want to find the number of opened tabs. If I open this, I should find the number of open tabs. So open tabs, how many? I think so only 2. Yes. Shall I continue? Or
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts you have?
No, no, ma'am.
No
No.
doubts. Okay.
Hmm.
The same way, now we are going to have it open multiple window. Here I'm having a parent window, which is 1, and this is 2. So total count I should have 2, because they have given instructions, find the number of opened tabs. Let me check. So it is coming to the new window now. Again, it is a tab. Okay, windows and tab. So what should be my output? Expected is 2. Actual should also be 2. Now, how to write the code? First of all, what I should do? First of all, I'll just close this. So as a manual tester, what I will do is I will click here. So as an
Yes.
automation, I should inspect this first. Okay. Please don't use star. So my first job is to click that. I'll just keep it as button 2. Okay. Now, what happened to this?
Akka, get this.
Okay. Now I have clicked.
Ah,
My job is done. Now, what is my next use case? What is my next thing I have to do? I have to find the number of open tabs. So manually, I'm getting 2 tabs. Okay. So for this, what can I do? Any idea?
We, I think we have a method called size, Aarti. We should get all the window handles of all the open windows
Yeah.
and we
to
can
count
calculate
number of.
the size. Yeah.
Size, number of window handles.
Okay. And in which can I store this?
Int
Written type
variable.
of sizes.
Int. Yeah. Int variable.
Integer.
Let's check. Okay.
Okay.
And what should I do?
Print that way expected value.
Okay. Let me check. Any error? Why this error is here? Okay. Now I'll just terminate this. Oh, 2 windows are opening. Anyways, we got a exact size 3.
Yes.
So parent window. But why manually it was not working? Is it a bug? So this should be a bug. While automating, we are getting 2, but while this we are getting, not sure what happened to this. Okay. So we are getting 3 windows. 1, 2, and 3. So it has given me the output as 3. If you want to make it more thing, the total number of windows appeared is this one. You can keep it. Okay, so it will give you in a proper format. I hope I don't want to execute once again, right? You know all these things. Okay, so this is done. So if you have a size, you can find the number of total number of windows opened. And you can store it in an integer because we need numbers only. So with this, you can find the how many things are being opened. Now, coming to close all windows except, okay, this you can try because this we have tried here. Okay, the same
Okay.
way, close all windows except primary. Primary means the parent window. So if I open this, manually something is going wrong. I'm not sure why this alert is open now. Okay, while automating, you'll get like this, I guess. Something is wrong. So when you open this, if I'm not wrong, it will open some few 2 to 3 windows. Okay, I have to close all the child window and I have to click, sorry. Yeah, close all child window except primary. I think so this is the same concept we have tried here using this if condition. The same way you have to try. This code will exactly work.
Yes.
The same code will work for that. Then coming to wait for 2 new tabs to be open. Waiting. This I would like to give you an assignment. This is very easy again. Waits. Wait for 2 new tabs to be open. Open with delay. Can you do this?
Yeah, Arti,
Okay.
can you please repeat what to do on that?
Yes. So this one we have tried now. So no issues, I guess. The same
Right.
way, the same code we have. If you apply the same code line number 30 to 40, this will work for this also. Now I want you to have a wait. So whenever you open with this, there should be a 2 new tabs. Why this is not working? So two new tabs should be opened, but only one is opened here. Don't know what's going on with leave ground. Okay. 2 new tabs will be opened with a delay. Wait for
Okay.
two new tabs. You have to wait for that. You should not close or do any other action, but you have to wait it.
Hmm.
This you can take it as a task. This is where waits will come in.
Right. Okay, Arti.
Okay. So these 3 things. So whenever you have in real time also, if you want to perform some actions here, actually I'm not having some actions. Suppose I'm having open. Now my control is in new tab. So you have to, we have switched, right? Where is it? We have switched to new window. After this, if you want to perform any action, you can do it. Like for example, I want to driver dot click on something. I want to click on this browser. You can take the XPaths and you can perform all the actions into the new browser. Sorry, new window. This will work. Okay. For example, if you want to click on some element, you can do it. If you want to send some keys, you can do it. Whatever is there. Okay. Something is there. So unless your control is in this new window, all of the rest actions you can perform. But if you want to perform, I want to close this and I want to perform on this window, then this code will be helpful for you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Am I clear? So
Yes, sir.
just do manually. Think manually. My control is in child window. This new window is a child window. Okay. In this child window, I want to perform browse. I want to go for drag and drop. All the actions you can perform by writing all the codes under this line. From line number 38, 39, 40, whatever you want to write, you can write it. Then bring back your control to with this condition, with the parent window, and then close it. Your code will work absolutely fine. Fine. So this is about Windows. This I have given you an assignment. Tomorrow you have to explain me what is this actually about. And I may give you few tasks as well with this 3 combinations. Okay, don't worry if you don't know, I will let you know. It's very easy. Window handlings are very easy. But we have to know only the concept. When to
So
switch what?
Arti, with the task, we should wait till the windows are open. And
Yes.
what else we need to do? But
Just wait for, I want only this one. Wait for 2 new tabs to be open.
okay, so code for waiting till the tabs are
Yes.
open is fine. Okay.
So when I click on this open with delay,
Yeah.
and over the YouTube, you can find the exact video for this leaf ground. Leaf ground, what is this? Window.
Okay.
Okay, window handlings in leaf ground. You will get exact code for this also. This is a very old practicing. So we used to take orange HRN.
Hmm.
That is another new way of learning. So first you do it, have a practice. We may feel this is very easy. Why we're spending a lot of time? But when you go for real time, when you use framework, at that time you will not know what to use when to switch to new window, how to create the object for this new window. Definitely you will get confused. So even it is easy, even it is like regular things, but have a good practice of this because this code is only going to help you in frameworks.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling you to have a no matter if again if you know very well also no matter, but definitely when you have a framework you will get confused. So
Okay.
be that's why I'm giving this task to you.
Sure, Aarti, we'll do that.
Okay.
Hmm.
As of now it looks very simple, very easy, but if you're basic in this code, you can write any kind of frameworks. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so this is all about windows. So window handle, return, this is important interview question. Whenever you have any Selenium interview, they will especially catch you mainly with windows and frames because these are the areas where you have to, where will feel difficulty. Okay, so like going and I want to perform some action over here. How will you do that? I want to click this daily. So at that time, you have to say, we have to give our control to the child window. Over there, you can perform the regular actions like driver.click, driver.send keys, whatever you want to perform it. Come back by using this if condition, close the driver and come to the parent window. So this is what they will expect from you. Then coming to this, this is about get window handle. Return type of get window handle is string. Return type of get window handles is
Set.
Size.
size.
Int.
Set.
You know,
Set. It's multiple values will be returned.
Set.
Set.
multiple values.
Okay, it is a set
Like
because S. And why set? Why not array list? Why not linked list? That also they will ask. Why set?
It won't allow duplicate values. So
Unique. Correct. Suppose, for example, if we are having the same value for another tab also, imagine this dashboard is also having the same name. So this is something we call one issue in that there will be some ambiguity created. It will close both the windows. Okay, it will if the duplicates are allowed.
Hmm.
If the duplicates are not allowed, it will be straightforward. Suppose these two having same name and you're performing the action of dashboard. After performing the action, if I'm closing the browser, it will close this, and this. All the three browsers will be closed. Ambiguity situation. We will get confused of what is happening. That is the reason set will not allow duplicate. That is the reason we are using set in the windows. So we can have a straightforward understanding of which window we are closing, window we are transferring our control and operation are done on that particular window.
Yeah.
So
But
these all things is
we
very, very
usually
important.
don't get duplicate window IDs. I mean, just for information sake, Aarti. We usually don't have the same IDs, right, for multiple windows.
Yes, we will not have, but the developers,
Yeah.
suppose they are doing a mistake, they are
Right.
not mistake, or they wanted to do these same windows for their convenience.
Okay.
At the time, what will happen?
Yeah.
That
As
is why,
everything. Yeah.
yes, that is why for this thing, Selenium itself has created this as a set.
Okay.
Whatever developer write, whatever you write, we don't care. So we are going for set.
Okay.
They may do mistake. There might be some errors. At the time, our whole script will go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so as an mm, proactiveness, it is completed into the developed into the set
Hmm.
coming from Selenium WebDriver.
Right.
Okay, fine. So this is about Windows and this task. I want you to explain me how you did this one.
Okay.
This is another scenario which we will face in our real-time projects. Fine. Now we will come with frames. Frames. Any idea about frames?
Yeah, ma'am. If a web page and
Mhm.
we have a multiple frames,
Mhm.
In main
like
page, there will be multiple pages. Those
multiple
pages
pages.
we can call frames.
Yeah,
Instead of main page, remaining pages I think we can call frame. I'm
So
not sure.
web page embedded in another
Hmm.
page.
multiple pages.
Main
Have you
page
ever
in
seen
main.
this option in anything else?
View.
Nothing? Okay, I'll
View
show you a
frames.
lot. Now, where is the frame view page source alone is there? Frames is not there. Okay, so this is one type of suppose. Now, okay, I'll just come here. Okay, I want to just click, right? Okay, hooray, you click me. I'm getting the answer. I'm just going inspecting. Sorry, I'm just going here inspecting uh ID.
Click.
It's head file tag. What is this? Click me, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm taking ID, right? Why it's not highlighting?
Oh, actually, in it is
It's
tag
button. Okay.
button. But yeah.
Okay. So it is of three. Which button I want? I want the first one, right? Okay. Control C. I'm going to my script. Is this the same? Control C. Just already I'm having. Okay. Why my end is not working? Fine. Now I am in the application. I'm storing my web element. Web element. Click me equal to driver dot find element by dot x. I did by xpath, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm just clicking it. So what I should do? What should I do?
Click me dot click.
Okay. Fine. Now let's see what happens to this code if I execute. Everything is fine, right? Hmm? It will throw me one type of exception.
Yeah. No, not interactable. Click.
No such frame.
No such element exception.
Exception.
Oh,
This is one type of exception. No such element exception, which means element is present in the DOM, but why I'm not able to interact? The reason and to quick identify is this is my browser or my real window. Okay, this is my browser. So always, whenever you inspect something, you will have frame sources, which means this application is consist of frames. When you go to alert, you will, whenever you inspect, you will have only page source. You will not have any kind of frame. So in this way, you can identify whether your particular page consists of frame or not. Okay. Then we will inspect it. So we understood that, okay, we are inside the frame. Now, how to handle the frame? So frame can be handled in three ways: by their index name, by the frame name, or by XPaths. For this, we don't have any frame name. Okay, but we know that this is the first frame. So I can use index. So I am having 4 frames here. Okay. So this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and fourth is somewhere inside that itself because it is multiple nested frame, I guess. So 2 frames inside this, inside this. But I want the first frame. So what I can do is simply I can make the use of 0. Okay, indexing. So 0 frame starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 1, 2, 3, fourth window. If I want to select the first frame, I'll go with indexing as 0. Now, the second way I can do is with my frame name. Now, again, one more thing I forgot to tell you that whenever we enter into this page, our control will be in the normal HTML, the parent HTML. The same way as we did in window, we have to instruct Selenium or our automation tool to get into this frame, which is having another HTML body. It's a separate window. It's a separate page. Okay. So here also we have to switch by using, here only we will use default content.
Yeah.
Default content comes for frame. Window comes for get window handle or handles. Okay. Now I understood that it's very simple task for me. This is my first frame, so I can go for indexing. But when it comes to this second one, in future they might change something. So I have to see whether I'm having the name or not, frame name or not. Okay, even here I'm not having any frame names, I guess. So even here I have to use the indexing, but I don't want to go for indexing. I will go for XPath. Okay, the third way is here we can see if we have any, frame names here. For this, I'm having the frame ID and name. So for this, I can use ID and name. Okay, so in this 3-way, we can play with the frames and interact with the elements present inside that. Suppose in real-time application, there will be some form to be filled. Okay, but that form will be built it inside the frame. Like for example, you are having click me. So at that place, you will be having some form. So first we have to enter into the frame. Then only we can enter. So we have entered. Then only I can interact with this click element. Entering, clicking. That is why previously my direct element, direct click didn't work. Okay. Now, how can I do with the frame?
We use
Is this right?
yeah, 0 index. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if it is working or not. What exception? No such element exception. Still it is throwing me. What mistake I did here? What I should do? After clicking, only I should get that.
No,
No, no,
before
no. I want to enter. But I have did right. But what is the mistake?
no, web element, it's like
Mm.
before.
That is not an issue.
Written web element.
Any idea? I have switched to the frame, but why I'm not able to get into that frame? What guys? Any idea?
Ma'am, it
No.
like written frame, it's like web element. Ma'am.
Frame
We
is a
store the web element.
that I did here, right? Frame
Frame.
is no need to store
Frame.
frame.
Oh,
let me see this. So what I have did in this code is, this will not work. So first I have taken the same way I have did. Okay. Here using XPath, here using the ID of that particular element. Okay. Then I have switched to the default frame. Then, okay, this is just click me. This is also click me. So first I have moved to the default frame. As Viresh said, it has read this line first. That is why it is showing us no such element exception. So first we have to switch to the frame. Then we have to find the element. Okay. Because Java is interpreter or this thing. What we have another way.
Compile.
So it will read line by line. So before moving to this frame itself, it has taken this line. That is why it has stored the value here. That is why it has thrown us no such element exception. Okay, now let me run this and see. Have you noticed it has clicked?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just. So always, that's why I told you. Again, we did a mistake. First, what is my step first? I have to enter into the frames. Then only I have to click it. But what mistake I did? I just wrote the first web element. It stored my web element. Then only it entered into the frame, which is wrong. Okay, so this step is also important. Manually, what we do? Enter into the frame, get the value of the frame, then clicking. Entering into the frame, getting the value of the web element, then clicking. So manual step is equivalent to the automation steps. Then again, I'm giving the control back to the default content, means it will come back to the, it will come
Main.
out of the frame.
Main web.
Okay, so my control is back to this main page. It came out of the frame. Okay, so default content will be used for frames. If you have windows, you have to use window. Fine. Now, next, suppose I want to click how many frames in this page. How many frames are in this page?
Three.
It will not work. Count click. Okay, we will go with this. Nested frame. Now here again, we have two frames inside a frame. Okay, but this one, a good thing is we are having a frame name for the interior frame, but for the exterior frame, we are not having anything. So again, we have to go for the XPath. Take XPath for this, then switch to this, then switch to this. So 3 steps we have to do.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for as the time is this thing, I have written the code already. Just cut, copy, paste. The same as we did for Windows.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. The same way. Now I'm having a page.index. I'll just show you. This is the XPath which I'm taking for this nested window. Okay, it has highlighted. So I'm taking the, so this is by indexing. Now this is by XPath. The second way is by, the second way is by frame name. Okay, so first we have found the X path for the frame. Now I am entering into the first frame, page.xhtml. I'm traveling, I'm transferring my, what to say, control to this frame. So that is why driver dot switch to dot frame
Okay.
X path. First thing is done, but I'm having another frame inside this. I have to switch to that frame as well. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So for this,
Yeah.
it's easy. I'm having ID or name, anything I can use. So I'm using the name of the frame, which is frame 2. Okay, done. Second step is done. After that, what I have to do? I have to click on this and I should get a message. Hooray, you clicked me. So that is what I'm performing as a third step. Again, storing in a web element, clicking this, okay, I'll just name it as click me. Okay. And here I will change it as click me. Control S. Okay. So click me is done. So I'm performing some operation and then I'm asking the driver to be closed. Okay. I'll just execute this. This will be, very much easy for leaf ground. But when you come to real time, so it has clicked. Okay. When you come to real time, most probably we will use this way by using XPath. Most probably 80% I have used with XPath only. Always your manual test will be your helper. So what step you will be confused, what step to write, how to go it in? No, do it manually. So the main same step I have entered into my script. First I entered to the main frame. Then I gave into the nested frame. If another nested frame is there, driver.switch to that nested frame. And if you want to come out of that frames, directly if you want to come on, go to the default content. Directly it will jump to the parent frame. But no, I want to close this frame and I want to perform some actions in the second child frame. Then you have to use this if condition which we have used in our Windows. Same if condition. If frame dot equals to the old frame or child frame or second child frame, perform the actions driver dot click, driver dot send keys, anything. After performing all the actions, please close that particular, no, not close. We should come to the default content. It will come to the default content, default page. If you want to go to the second page, you have to store this value into a string. Then you have to give it as driver dot switch to that particular frame. We have another method also for that. I guess I forgot that. Driver dot switch to that particular frame. It will come to the to that particular frame, the location. Then you can close the driver.
iframe.
Okay. iframe frames both are, we are having iframe also. We are in iframe, I guess. This is iframe.
Yes.
iframe frame almost same. We are having another thing called form. That is one big thing. If everything is interpreted with form means you have to come from here. You have to take the form. You have to go to the iframe. Then you have to go to the iframe. Then you have to click. Okay, in that way it will come. As of now, form not needed. But this is allowing us, rather than entering through from form, it is allowing us to directly go to the iframe because it is having a separate HTML page. So that is why it is not disturbed by that form, I guess. Okay, so this is about frames. So always have a clear-cut manual step and introduce that into your scripting. The second thing, this one in frames, we will see when we come with some real-time examples. But as of now, very basics have an idea of this. Okay, I think so it's 10:14. So this is all about Windows. Sorry, this is all about, yeah, Windows get window and frames. I hope with this alert we have done, right?
Yes.
I gave some task in alert was as well, if I'm not wrong. This
Yes.
prompt I gave. Yes or no also I gave. Have you
Oh,
guys done that?
Yeah, ma'am.
yes.
One ma'am, it like
Mm.
not done with sweet model and minimize and maximize. It is like
Sweet is same, Viresh, except dismiss.
s- yeah. This is done, ma'am. Like sweet dialogue, simple dialogue.
Ah,
It's like click, ma'am.
Minimize and maximize.
Minimize and
yes,
maximum done, not done with, and
not done. So nothing
mm,
but switch your control to this. You know, right? Accept dot alert dot something. You will switch your control over here. Here you are able to inspect it. Take that X path and do perform the action.
oh,
Take
okay.
the
Just
X path.
click. Just
Yeah,
clicking.
just click. That's it. If you click, it is minimizing, right? Manually, what is happening?
It will minimize, and if we click maximize, it is
Minimize.
getting black.
Yes.
So
But I want to close.
hmm,
So show, close it. Show, take the X path, close it.
close
First, first bring your control to this dialog box.
Okay.
What's happening? Oh
maximum.
my God, I just closed you. What was that?
Alert.
Alert.
Okay, open. Bring your control over here. Take the X path for this, minimize. Take the, why it is not maximizing for me? Okay, this I should click again. Okay. Okay, minimize it. The same way you are able to inspect this also.
Okay. Okay.
You can take class. Then again click the same button. Maximize it.
Oh, okay.
That's it. What difficulty is there in this? I mean, oh,
No,
it's
ma'am.
easy,
I
right?
confused that. I confused that. Just like a child window pop up or like a
Mm.
browser window pop up. It means I confused that. I asked that.
Okay. For this and all, we are not able to inspect, right, Viresh? That is why they have specially designed some methods for that. Like we have now a dismiss, accept,
Yes,
send the
yeah.
keys, all those things we
Thank
are
you.
having. But
Yeah.
for this, you are able to inspect. So it is really very easy for us. Whenever there is something to inspect, definitely our automation will lead to positive way only. In
Okay.
case you're not having, then only some difficulties will arise. So bring your control to this minimum and maximum, take the X path and perform the actions. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am,
And come
one
out
more
of
thing.
mm,
One more thing. Sweet. That simple dialogue. Ma'am. Sweet.
accept, dismiss. If you have inspect, inspect it. Take the values yes. Click on that yes. Click on
Oh,
that no.
okay.
That's it.
Ma'am.
Simple, right? Bring your
Ma'am,
control to the dialog box. Alert dot switch to dot. Uh, what we did is on that day alerts. I forgot the code. Actually, I have not done right that one.
okay. Okay. I'm
No, no.
doing
What
that.
difficulty you're facing? I'm not getting that, Viresh.
Okay.
Is this working or not?
Yeah, it's working. Ma'am. One alert is not working. Ma'am. It like model dialogue or sweet. It like I'm checking that.
Okay, you check it and
Okay.
let me know. Okay, which is not working. We will see tomorrow then why it is not
Okay.
working.
Must be the left side sweet alert, Viresh. That didn't work. Yeah, Arti, we can see it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Simple dialogue, Shravani.
Simple dialogue, sweet alert. Yeah.
It will ask to dismiss, I think.
Hmm.
Third one, Aarti.
Simple accept, right?
No,
Third
no,
one
sweet alert, third one.
dismiss.
Just we have to
Accept dot dismiss.
dismiss.
See, if you
Okay.
have this keyword dismiss, if you have okay, if you have cancel, that is quite easy. No need to take expats, nothing. Just cancel means dismiss.
Yeah,
Yeah,
accept and
switch to
dismiss we use.
alert dismiss. Yeah.
Yes.
This
For this
delete
also,
one.
I think so. You can try with accept and no, dismiss,
Yes,
I guess.
yes, Aarti, yes.
Yeah, accept.
I haven't tried. It was very long back we did this, and it's
It's
quite
it's not
different.
deleting anything. Just it is asking to delete or not option. Yes or no.
Hmm.
Sweet alert delete.
Okay. Just let me know if it is not working. We can see this. Then in Windows, we can see this. Then in frames, I don't know why this is not working. Just let me know why, what is
Actually,
exactly we
it's
need to
not
do.
working, Aarti. Once I tried to click this one conference. It has not shown anything for me also.
Yes.
State text HTML. Where it is highlighting? Okay, it's highlighting. So we are having
How many frames in this page?
I don't know why this is not clickable and no informations we are having. It's showing only one of one. But if it is having many frames, means it should show some count. Okay, not sure. We'll check this. Or else for this and all, you will get a superb code in YouTube, on YouTube, for this leaf ground. The UI design will be a little bit different, but exactly we'll get all the codes of this. Yeah. Right. So tomorrow I'll see with this nested this one. This is, I don't know why. Only with Windows. These are the very two important topics, frames and Windows. And next is weights. Tomorrow we will see weights. I'll just open the thing which we. Okay. Now I think so. Selenium. Why should we use Selenium? These are all self-learning. Locators in Selenium we have done. Experts completed, all the things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Single slash, double slash completed,
Yeah.
right?
Absolute and relative.
Yes.
Okay. Desired platform is remaining. How do we launch WebDriver? And the differences I have told, right? Why we use WebDriver and why we use Chrome driver.
Yes.
Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver of WebDriver is equal to this one. I hope I have given the differences. And weights is pending. Ajax
Yes.
fluent weight is pending. Text box we know, right? Send keys.
Send keys method.
Okay.
Yes.
We will see our other two type. We have type and fill, I guess. I don't know in which we use type and which we use fill. Playwright, I'm not sure. That we will see. Then coming to this, what is this? How can you find if an element is displayed? Get text. Sorry, is enabled. This is pending, right? 13th is pending. And how can we get a text of a web element? You can using the get text.
Get text.
Then, yeah, another thing is select drop down is another important. So 2 to 3 more topics is important pending, which is weights, select. That's it. Wait and select. Wait, select, get window handles, frame. These are the 4 important topics. Wherever you go for interview, they will catch up with these 4 topics only. So we should be strong in that. Select is another tricky type of way where you can get tricky type of questions in select. Navigation we have done, right? Navigate dot refresh, navigate dot forward,
Yes.
navigate dot backward. All the 4 to 5 commands we have. Navigate.
Yes.
Hyperlinks
Yes,
we
yes.
have. We can, while we do some other cases like select or something, we will catch up with hyperlink. Frames we have completed today. Default frame. See, default content is important thing. Elements. Driver dot close quit. What is this? Can we handle web-based? No, we can't handle web-based pop-up, but there is some ways we can do it. Indirect ways. Application pop-ups, which we have seen. These are the application pop-ups. Okay. See, don't get confused with Windows pop-up and application pop-up. These are the application pop-ups. Windows pop-up means something coming with Windows. Something coming inside the application is application. This we can handle. But Windows also we can handle, but there is some other way we have to do with that.
Web-based
Methods
in
of
the sense,
action.
does it relate to the browser, Aarti?
Yes, related to the browser.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever exception, whatever pop-ups apart from this application you're getting will be the window-based pop-ups.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Actions classes have we done? No.
No.
So many tips are pending. Exception in actions is easy. Exceptions in Selenium. That I will give you. Yeah, one more thing.
Actions class, that means by yesterday we have done.
Actions, have we created an object and have we done?
No, we were doing it,
No, right?
but
No.
we were late,
Yeah,
Aarti.
Okay. So in interview, they may ask what are the exceptions, list some few exceptions of Selenium. So we found one, right? No such element exception. Element
Yes.
clickable intercept exception. So just learn some 4 to 5 exceptions. Okay. Maximum you will find this elements not interactable exception.
Not in socket
Element not selectable.
exception.
Not visible.
No.
Mm,
Timeout exception, null pointer exception.
Click
wait.
intercepted
Few,
exception.
Yeah.
few
One
will
more.
come from this thing.
Stale
Java.
element.
Few will
Yes.
come from Selenium. Okay.
Hmm.
At the time we should be little this thing. Just learn 4 to 5 exceptions. Enough.
Okay.
Most commonly they may ask what are the most commonly. So with interceptor exception we will face, not interactable we will face, timeout we
Yes.
will face, no such frame we will face sometime.
No alert.
Okay.
No alert.
Yeah.
Exception.
So this
Alert
is what
exception.
we will come with the exceptions. This they will ask name some 4 to 5 commonly faced exception or rarely faced exception. Rarely we can go with these whichever we have not seen. Script timeout. Session not created is not rare. Okay, it will come. No such window is also not rare. It will come. JavaScript will be rare. JSON exception will be rare. So these all things you can say. Yeah. Then what is pending? I think so I'm taking a lot of time today. Fine. Anyone just make a list of the topics which we have done. Okay. So that we can compare with this chart and we can see. So according to me, actions, select, those are pendings. Those are all pending tasks. Okay, then I think so that's all for today.